amazing space here. We built this display for this new sales office, which is opening soon. It's a 3x3 video wall with very small bezels. I believe these bezels are just under a millimeter, 0.88 millimeters. We have a couple of 65-inch touchscreens on either side, and then we have over here, this is a 98-inch touchscreen, which is really cool. And on the other side is a 98-inch display. So we work with a company called PureBlink, who does the software. So this isn't enabled yet for touch, but it is a touchscreen display. As you can see from my interaction, they'll have 3D models that relate to the building, which is, here's an actual model of the building and the development. And it's fully interactive on this 98-inch, that 65-inch, and that 65-inch there. Something the client had a vision for having a quaint, kind of intimate space to discuss the various finishes and options for the condos that they're building. And this touchscreen is interactive, but also can be remotely controlled from an iPad. So it's dual purpose. The company we work with, PureBlink, has that concept, along with a few other companies out there that we also work with. But designing this space and making this screen fit it is what we really offer our clients, right? We have a lot of different access to a lot of different manufacturers, and landscape, portrait, video wall, whatever they need, they kind of give us the vision they have, and we say, okay, here's the products that we think will do that. In this instance, we have small, powerful mini PCs that are located behind each one of these displays, including the video wall. And in some instances, we have to install full-size, very powerful gaming machines, which we actually have installed over here at the Tridel display. We actually replaced their computers with more powerful gaming machines, and it's just a matter of what kind of software is being used. This application runs on a mini PC. That application requires some hardcore graphics processing power, so we can cover all those requirements as the client needs it.